Why you shouldn't crack your knuckles frequently. Cracking your knuckles repeatedly can weaken the surrounding ligaments over time, increasing the risk of joint instability and reduced grip strength. While it doesn't directly cause arthritis, the habit can lead to inflammation in the joint capsule, causing swelling and discomfort. The popping sound is caused by the rapid release of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid, and while it provides temporary relief, repeated cracking can overstretch your ligaments. This can lead to joint laxity and even long-term joint damage. For healthier joints, find alternative ways to relieve tension, like stretching or using stress balls. Did you love this video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.